Hi everyone. I made this video to explain about life plant. Do you know this is very important plant? It has lot of medicinal benefits. It is mainly useful to reduce the respiratory infections, and it also helpful for diabetic patients. We can prepare like tea with these leaves, and we can take it on daily basis, and it will also helpful for mouth ulcers, and also it prevents liver damage due to alcoholic addictions, and it also helpful in hypertension. It can be used for boils and ulcers also. We can use this fresh leaf juice wherever we have the wounds or boils. It will reduce. You can eat this fresh leaf directly. You can propagate this plant from the leaf also. If you have one plant, the surroundings you will get very small plants. So like that I have nearly now 10 plants. So you can also try from your side. Thank you for watching this video.